closing line, though. That was so
Too
smart.
good.
Joe Fryer is so good at those anyway. Yeah.
Here's the thing. I was, team no singing, and then listening to that story, I had to stop myself from like singing along a little bit.
Yeah,
it's
maybe
tough.
it's just instinctual, because those songs have been around for 20 years at this point. It's ingrained in a lot of people.
Yeah, it's like muscle memory. It just comes out.
I mean, if I sing outside of a movie theater, people are still throwing popcorn and phones at me regardless. So, you know what?
Get out of here.
I probably won't sing
nice.
during it, but if someone else does, all the power to them.
Round of applause.
Yeah.
Right.
All right, let's talk about this weekend right now. Who's excited for a gorgeous, well, it's going to be dry, but still warm weekend ahead. Here's Bastrop Alley Medical Emergency Room. A few wispy clouds on the horizon and some people driving to and from. Maybe some lunchtime plans on this Friday. And look at the big picture across the country. I mean, we're dealing with nothing. High pressure steering all the clouds and precip to our north and east, and also to our north and western parts of the country here. We're going to warm back up to the mid-70s today. Here's your afternoon planner. Picking up the kids from school, 76, mostly sunny skies throughout your day, 71 by 5 p.m. Find your city here east of I-35, dealing with some pockets of upper 70s, 77 to 78 degrees. The hill country will be a bit cooler in the low to mid-70s today. How about tomorrow? Some 80s starting to pop up east of the metro area, 79 in Austin, 77 Georgetown tomorrow, 78 in Rockdale, upper 70s for places like Gillespie County, Llano, up toward San Saba County. Your 3-day forecast, wow, 80s are returning. We should be in the upper 60s. Don't blame me for this, but near 20-degree warmer than average highs starting on Monday, and then we'll see a bit of a change in the forecast here. So why is it warming up? We have a southerly flow. That means winds coming in out of the south, gusty Saturday into Sunday, up to 25 to 30 mile per hour gusts for your Sunday. So keep that in the back of your mind if you have any sort of outdoor plans for the second half of your weekend. And that southerly wind will really bump up humidity. Dew points returning to the mid 60s before our first front moves through Monday into your Tuesday. Second front Wednesday into your Thursday, but both of these fronts will be dry. So look at the rain chances across the next 7 days. I mean, it is just zero. Now these fronts are dry, but they could cool us down a little bit. Here's how clouds and radar could look. There's that first front Monday into Tuesday. All the rain is east of us across the deep south, and our second front sometime Wednesday through Thursday will also be dry with all the rain Houston east to Louisiana. Now, Tom, I did that because of my name, Tommy, but here's our Thanksgiving Day forecast. Temperatures 70 for the big day with a mix of clouds and sunshine, a bit cooler than where we are this weekend. So here's your first warning weather 7-day forecast. 76 today, 79 Texas football. Kentucky's coming to town, a little SEC matchup there. Sunday, 83 degrees. How about 86? Our record high on Monday is 88, so near record high on Monday. And then there's that first front, 74 on your Tuesday. And then 82 on Wednesday, second front into Thanksgiving, perfect time, and 70 for the big turkey day. Overnight lows going from the 40s to the 60s, back down to the 50s.